I think that's an interesting piece because a lot of it, the machines I understand super well, but tech, there's kind of so many layers to it. So it's great to be able to call and just have somebody be like, all right, try this, check this, try this, problem solved. Yeah, so it's been that process. And I think just knowing, okay, this is the correct way and channel to actually definitively fix this so we don't have to come back around to it, that is a godsend.
Anybody I've ever talked to has been knowledgeable. We've solved the problem. When we first opened here, we were having some setup issues with our satellite and stuff. A couple phone calls later, everything was set up, done. So I've had nothing but good experiences. Aside from remembering the SF0630 number, that's the hardest question they ever ask is what's the number for the store. But no, nothing but good things to say about tech services. And
the 24-hour tech support is excellent. I wish my distributor had 24 hours. So 5 o'clock on a Friday, I like the fact that I can find out I'm having trouble with something. I can call and find out what's going on or if there is a problem. I don't have many problems. The level of support, ongoing support after you buy the system, is a real strength for CCI.
Tech support by far is bar none. I can say wholeheartedly that the tech support from CCI over the years has been nothing but get better. From the beginning, it was always good. I can be the first to say I have my favorites of tech support people, Jackie, Lee out there. Every time they answer the phone, I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to be on and off in about 2 seconds. So they get on, they diagnose the issue, give them the store ID, give them the location. And it's like, if they can't fix it, then they'll provide, the direction for me to go, troubleshooting ideas, start the case number so that if I do have to call back, I know that I'm not going through the whole same process of explaining again. They pull it up and I'm done. And the tech support is just, it's quick, it's on demand. Even if it's after hours, I know I can always reach someone, so it's super important.
It's been, absolutely fabulous. Every issue, problem that I have, and they haven't been too many. I've called the support 11 p.m. Pacific time, which in Chicago is 2 o'clock, 11, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, and I got a call back right away.
I've found CCI's customer service to be fantastic. I can pick up the phone and somebody can walk me through just about any kind of problem that I'm likely to have. And they're available anytime I want to call them.
Tech support has only gotten better now. It's almost seamless. It takes very little time to get a hold of somebody and get something taken care of. They've been really great.
I love your tech support. Love them. In fact, they clearly understand how it works, and you don't get the answer of, well, let me check with somebody and call you back. I've never had that experience. They know what they're doing. They know how to interrogate the system remotely. They always find a way to fix the problem. I love them.